Hello friends, this is Srikanth from geekinteger. How are you doing today? Today we are going to do an unboxing of Amazon Fire Stick. I bought it from Amazon.in during this Republic Day sale, and I got it for about 3,000, a pretty good deal. So let's start the unboxing of the Fire Stick. So I've got this neat package from Amazon. So let's see. As you see, this is a very neat package from Amazon. Very small and neat package. So let's see. Let me just take it out. Alright, so what do we have here? On the top, if you see, it has a Fire Stick branding with Amazon branding, and it has provided the list of the apps or the channels which is part of the Fire Stick. So we have Hotstar, Netflix, Ditto, Woot, Eros, NETV, and of course we have Amazon Prime Video. Along with we also have TED, Spool, Zenga, Next TV, and Ghana. It seems. So this is on the front, and on the left side they have given we have voice search, Dolby Audio, and it also supports the AC, which is really good. And of course it is 10 HD. It's not a 4K streamer, but it's a 1080 streamer, and it has a quad core processor. And it shows what all is included. It is a second generation Fire TV stick, and then we have a voice remote, two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, and a HDMI extender cable. And it says what's needed: a high-speed internet and Wi-Fi, and HDTV with HDMI input. Now on the right side, it basically gives an information about the year of import and the price. So this is around December 2017, and its price is shown as 3,999. And on the back side it is just given a few information about what are the things provided. So ease of use, easy to use and perfectly portable. Watch what you want, say goodbye to buffering, and voice search that actually works. And if you see the remote here, the remote, the logo which they have provided has a very nice effect where you can feel the ring attached to it. So it's really nice branding or nice packaging they have provided. And then of course here they have information about the Amazon.com device support and all that. So regarding packaging, I think this is about it. So let's just do the unboxing of it. So, they have provided a very neat way of unboxing the package. You just have a sticker over here. You can just pull that neatly, and it just comes out. That's it. You don't need to bother about any scissors or anything like that. It's really neat and very intelligent way of packing from Amazon. I really like it. So let's just see what inside here. Wow, very neat black box. And okay, so what do we have here? So it comes like this. So the very first thing we have some kind of a manual information of how to connect the Amazon Fire Stick to your TV. So this is some manual they have given, and they have given some warranty information. Sorry. And apart from that, provided a very good power cable. It is quite lengthy and very handy. They have given it in a very good length. And then we have an HDMI adapter. This is basically used for the TVs which have difficulty in connecting the Fire Stick directly to their HDMI ports. And on this side we have a power adapter from Amazon. This is about 5 volt to 1 amp power adapter. and of course we have the Amazon Fire Stick. So this is an HDMI uh, Fire Stick. Let's keep it here, and then we have a very beautiful uh, remote. It's very nice, it looks very handy. And finally we have two AAA batteries given by Amazon Basics. So I think that's about it, friends. So in the box we have this, we have, yeah. So basically we have all this stuff, a very neat packaging, I have to tell you. I mean, this is very neat, really neat packaging. We have the Fire Stick, the remote, the HDMI adapter, and then the power adapter, and two AAA batteries, and of course the power cable. And we also have some uh, documentation or the warranty information. So that's it pretty much about the unboxing of this Fire Stick. I'll do the future videos about how to connect to the TV and what are the features which are provided by the Fire Stick. So catch you there. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Bye.